You say.
Ready, set, go.
Hey, 380 feet like a standard length?
Yeah, 132 feet is the scale quarter mile.
Okay. Typhon6s, here we go.
Ready, set. Ready, set.
All right, here we go. Hold on, hold on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Got that one. 4 car lengths.
By how much?
4 car lengths. Hey, it looks
By how much? Oh, I gotta let mine cool off. Yeah, that was good. That was good. I like that.
Don't worry, I'm coming for you. Watch next time.
That was good, Dino. Sweet.
What next time, Juan? You gonna see pull up and be fucking that long wheelie bar, everything. Be going, what the fuck?
Oh my God. All right, let me know when you guys are ready. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Left lane. The Nova takes it. You guys ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. Right lane. The Typhon. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Left lane, Nova. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Typhon takes it. Right lane. Woo! Dino hooking up. All right, I want me a little bit of Dino, huh?
Are you filming?
Yeah. I was filming all of them.
Oh yeah, you got a good view.
Dude, you okay? All right, he's doing good. Let me go up against him. You want to do some shit talking? All right, hope you brought enough, buddy. You better unhook that trailer because we're about to go.
Hey, look, I got a good funny license plate number. Traxxas. You'll see it at the end.
Oh. Let me know what the back of my car, car looks like.
Yeah. I had too high on the low end.
Yeah.
And I maxed out at the high end.
Oh
now
shit.
I turned this down on the low end because you guys were beating me at the end. So I turned the end all the way up.
Oh shit, I know, because I saw it fucking just hidden right now. All right. Oh god, I hope this shit talk doesn't go against me, but it always does, so we'll see.
The what?
The shit talk goes against me.
I'm the rookie here again.
Oh! He got me.
Yeah. Well, you see, I knew like something was going on in the top end.
Dude, you suck.
But I gotta fix this too. You only got to
Okay. Huh?
Is he running 2S?
I don't know what he's running, but he's running 4-wheel drive.
I got to fix this. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Bye. Yeah. Yeah.
Close.
Woo.
Hey, Rob, how close was that? By a car, by a fender? About 2 or 3 feet.
Yes. 2-wheel drive.
2 car lengths. No, we gotta go all around now, but you gotta race here?
What's up, pick and pull? You doing pretty good?
You gotta race here, then you gotta race in the dirt.
Oh.
All around. Hey, but you see the high end?
Yep.
Keep it up now.
Okay. Come on, baby. Don't let me down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
About 6 car lengths.
Hey, check it out, Dino. Beat up.
Hey, I got one. I got one, and look, I don't know how you set up. I don't even set up for this shit.
Oh my god.
Pulled my car out from the thing. But I'm gonna look how those guys got theirs set up.
Rookie Dino's killing it today.
I'm gonna make it like how you guys got. You know how they got set?
Yep.
Give me a little bit. This is stock. Stock fucking everything. You're tired, right?
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Who won?
But that was like that was one car.
Who won?
Slash by a fender.
By a fender.
Yeah, it was less than a car length.
That was,
Woo!
I'm not lining it up, too. Come on, have it down.
You want this lane?
Look at all your marks on there.
I know, I'm leaving lines all the way down. I'm losing a lot of traction.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Trade you.
Oh!
Hey, I got a tree now. I gotta watch that tree.
It's all about the tree.
Another way I can get you.
All right.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was close.
Who?
By a bumper?
Oh, by a bumper. You got video of that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to watch the video. I'm not gonna accept that.
Oh yeah, Henry got video too. Okay, last one.